All right, so I just got in from doing a 16-hour day, something new and different, and I got my BeautyCon box. This comes 4 times a year. So let's take a peek inside. All right, so these are all the little things that are in here. We got a Brow Gal pencil. I have really thick eyebrows, so I mean, I guess the bottom, but I don't need the pencil, so I'm not going to pull that out, but I love the Brow Gal. They have a good clear brow gel. So that's the first. Then I think I already have, this is powder. I think I already have this, but I love Luxie brushes, so it's nice and soft, and they're synthetic, so I'm excited about that. I love brushes. Then I love, this isn't the waterproof, but I still like that. Then we got some nail polish, as you can see from my dry and crappy nails, that I definitely probably need to go do my nails. I think this is new. I'm not even looking. Oh no, this is Shimmering Dry Oil. Very interesting. It looked like it was nail polish to me, but I guess it's an oil. Don't know if I'll use that, but that's interesting. NYX Bright Ideas in Rose Petal. It's from what it says on the card, it's an illuminating stick. All right, well that's extremely like, I mean I don't know who's gonna have that much blush on. And let's see if it rubs. Oh, well, it rubs in good, so. Oh, it's, when you rub it in, I mean, I just can't you have to rub it in real good, but we'll test that out. I'm not saying that that's not a bad thing, but you definitely have to rub it in and be careful with how much you put on. All right, Dirty Little Secret. This is a Velvet Matte lipstick. I think I've gotten this before. All right, autofocus. Alright. Color's okay. We'll see how it dries. Oh, the Brow Gal came with the brush that I showed you earlier. Comes with 3 different, I definitely wouldn't be that, but these 2. I don't really need to put, alright. This is a mineral pressed blush. Let's see what beautiful color. This is in Peach Sheen. A lot of like blush cheek things. Let's check this out. Ooh, I don't like that it's already, I just opened it out of the container. And it's already got some. Let's see if this is cracked. No, it's not cracked. Let's put this on my other hand. I mean, we've got pretty much 2 blushes. I mean, I know this says highlighter and it does have a sheen, but so does this. 2, I like it. Not gonna complain, but basically the same product. We'll do the same thing. All right. Oh, we've got a little sticker. Beautycon sticker. All right, so this is Cargo Cosmetics. I've tried their blushes before. It's an okay company. Not. This is around the eye, and it got a look right there. Sucker's not easy to get into. I've tried also Cargo's, and one of maybe the Ipsy gave me one, or FabFitFun, or Lip Monthly gave me one of their. Cute. I like the packaging. And I mean, some natural looks. Nothing that says wow, but I mean, it's got some nice colors. Very neutral. And it's got a brush. The one thing I wish that Beautycon would do is say the value of these things. So, I mean, you've got them. I guess you could look them up. I didn't look them up. I just... Alright, so this is Protectant Color Treated High Potency Blend Oil. It's a hair thing. I love Moroccan oil. Let me see the smell. Oh, this will not work for me. It's gonna give me an instant, as it leaks onto me, but this will give me an instant headache. Well, I'll have to wash my hands. So I will be giving this to somebody. Not going to be able to wear this. But if you like floral things, I guess that doesn't give you a headache, you're good to go. So overall, if I clean up, we've got the liquid. And now this is it. It really hasn't fully dried. That's not a bad. Come on, focus. Not a really bad color. And that will look nice, I guess, with the some of the looks from the palette. You've got the palette. You've got the illuminating highlighter, blush, another blush, the Brow Gal, which has the 3 colors in it, and the illuminating oil. Let me just check this out. I'm a little bit intrigued. Where haven't I put something? Alright, so I'm going to do it right here. I mean, that's a highlight. Let me do it not on my veins. Let's see. I mean, I'm liking that. I don't know if I'd want that all over my face, but that's nice. It seems to be a highlight cheek trend. The Luxie brush, which I'm a fan of Luxie brushes. This goes with the Brow Gal. I love Brow Gal. And the Garnier Skin Active. It takes forever to dry. And the oil, which is something I won't be able to use. So you know, BeautyCon, this comes out 4 times a year, I believe. It's okay. I don't know if I'll be continuing, but the last one I was really impressed with. I mean, I like the palette. See, look how good. Look how look how good that comes off. Well, I like the wipes. So, I mean, I would love your thoughts on if you got a BeautyCon box, what you thought. I mean, I ripped this open. I don't know how you're supposed to seal it again. I guess like that. And put it in another thing. I like the bottle. That's what I have. Oh, and the sticker. Would love your thoughts and what you thought about the BeautyCon box. Like and subscribe.